Reports sometimes have fields with similar formats, such as the dates in this account reconciliation report. Let's see how Monarch Data Prep Studio's Copy Trap and Paste Trap features in Excel worksheet design will work for such cases. The append template for the run date has these trap rules. A date value is required with these font properties and the horizontal and vertical alignments set to the left and top respectively. These trap rules may be applied to the effective date. Let's copy the trap for the run date. Copy Trap is available from the buttons above the worksheet or from the context menu. We need to have a template to paste the trap into. In this case, let's create a new append template. Next, select the appropriate cell on which the trap will be applied and then choose Paste Trap. Click on Add Column, and we now have the effective date included in the preview grid. With that, the ability to copy and paste traps allows users to easily reuse traps across templates. This would be very useful for traps having multiple rules. Copying these complicated traps would do away with having to manually recreate these for capturing similar fields.